Have you ever wondered about the intertwining concepts of liberalism and democracy and how they shape the world we live in? These two principles are fundamental to understanding many of the political, social, and economic structures prevalent in various societies today. Liberalism, a multifaceted ideology, champions individual rights and freedoms, such as the freedom of speech, religion, and privacy. It places a high value on equality, striving for an equitable society where everyone, regardless of their race, gender, or socioeconomic status, has access to the same opportunities. It's a philosophy that believes in the rule of law, where everyone is subject to the law, preventing the arbitrary exercise of power. Liberalism also advocates for a limited government. It posits that the government's role should be to protect individual rights without unnecessary interference in personal affairs. Economically, liberalism generally supports a market-based system. However, it also recognizes the need for regulations to ensure fair competition and address socioeconomic disparities. Furthermore, liberalism is a champion of social justice, seeking to address societal inequalities and promote fairness. It often supports progressive policies and reforms that adapt to society's evolving needs, including social and environmental initiatives. Yet it's crucial to understand that liberalism takes on various forms, from classical liberalism's emphasis on minimal governmental intervention to modern liberalism's recognition of the state's role in addressing social and economic issues. Now, let's delve into democracy, a system of government where power rests with the people. Democracy thrives on the principle of popular sovereignty. The ultimate authority resides with the people, and governments derive their legitimacy from the consent of the governed. It's a system that encourages political pluralism, allowing for multiple political parties and diverse opinions, providing citizens with a range of choices. Democracies are characterized by free and fair elections, ensuring transparency and giving citizens the power to choose their representatives. Like liberalism, democracy strongly adheres to the rule of law, where laws are applied uniformly to all citizens. It aims to safeguard minority rights, ensuring they are not marginalized or oppressed by the majority. Democracy also upholds individual freedoms, such as freedom of speech, assembly, and religion, fostering an open and tolerant society. And not to be overlooked, democracy encourages civic participation, active engagement of citizens through voting, public discourse, and involvement in civic activities. To sum it up, liberalism is a political and social philosophy that emphasizes individual rights, equal opportunity, limited government intervention, social justice, and progressive policies. Democracy, conversely, is a system of government where power is vested in the people, characterized by popular sovereignty, political pluralism, rule of law, protection of minority rights, and civic participation. Together, these two principles form the backbone of many of today's democratic societies, shaping the way we live, interact, and govern.